What if I told you in 2026, the Smartband category just completely reinvented? Meet the Huawei Band 11 Pro. And yes, you heard that right, it's Pro version. This is the very first time in the entire history of the Huawei Band series that Huawei has launched a Pro variant. And trust me, they didn't hold back. Today, we're going hands-on to find out, is this the best Smartband you can buy right now? Let's get into it. First impressions matter, and the Band 11 Pro absolutely nails it. Huawei has gone with a premium aluminum alloy frame, which is a significant upgrade from the plastic builds we've seen in previous Band models. It looks refined, it feels solid, and it just screams quality the moment you pick it up. It comes in 3 gorgeous colors, and as you can see, I've got the green one right here, paired with Huawei's signature dual-color nylon woven strap. It's not just easy on the eyes, it's breathable, lightweight, and genuinely comfortable enough to wear all day without a second thought. Now let's talk about that display. We're looking at a 1.62-inch AMOLED panel, the largest ever on a Huawei Band, with a peak brightness of 2000 nits. That's outdoor-ready brightness. Whether you're checking your stats under bright sunlight or glancing at your wrist in a dark room, this screen handles everything beautifully. And despite all this hardware, the Band 11 Pro weighs just 18 grams. You'll genuinely forget it's on your wrist. To top it all off, Huawei offers an impressive library of rich watch faces, so you can switch up the look to match your mood, your outfit, or your workout. Now, this is where the Pro in the name really earns its place. Starting with something genuinely impressive, pulse wave arrhythmia detection. And this one is CE certified, which means it meets the strict European medical grade reliability standards. So what does it actually do? It uses optical sensors to analyze your pulse wave, essentially the rhythm and pattern of your heartbeat, and can flag irregular patterns that may indicate arrhythmia, a condition where your heart beats too fast, too slow, or unevenly. Catching this early can be life-changing, and having that on your wrist 24/7 is remarkable. Next up, continuous HRV monitoring. HRV, or heart rate variability, measures the tiny variations in time between each heartbeat. When those variations drop, it can be an early signal of physical or mental stress, fatigue, or even potential heart risks building up over time. The Band 11 Pro tracks this continuously and gives you early warnings before you hit a wall. It's like having a wellness coach quietly watching over you all day. Now here's a feature you typically find on Huawei's flagship smartwatches: emotional well-being tracking. This lets you log and track your mood throughout the day, helping you spot emotional patterns and understand how your lifestyle is affecting your mental health. It's a thoughtful and increasingly important addition. And then there's sleep breathing awareness, a feature that monitors your breathing patterns while you sleep. In simple terms, if your breathing becomes irregular, shallow, or stops briefly during the night, this feature catches it and flags it. Breathing disruptions during sleep are often linked to conditions like sleep apnea, which many people don't even know they have. The Band 11 Pro helps you sleep smarter, not just longer. For the fitness enthusiast, the Band 11 Pro has you fully covered. It comes with built-in GNSS positioning, which means it uses multiple global satellite systems to give you accurate GPS tracking without needing your phone nearby. Real-time pace, distance, route mapping, all right on your wrist. And whether you're a runner, a swimmer, or a cyclist, you've got 100 workout modes to choose from. But the real highlight for runners is the dedicated track run mode, which is optimized specifically for running on a track. It uses the track's fixed dimensions to give you ultra-precise lap times and distance data. Serious runners will love this. Here's the number everyone wants to know: 14 days of battery life from a 300 mAh battery. Yes, 14 days! That's 2 full weeks of continuous health monitoring, workout tracking, and notifications without reaching for a charger. In a world where most smartwatches need charging every couple of days, this is a massive win. The Band 11 Pro is built to take on real life. It carries both IP69 and 580M ratings, meaning it's protected against high-pressure water jets and can handle submersion up to 50 meters. Whether you're swimming laps, caught in a downpour, or just washing your hands, the Band doesn't care. And when it comes to compatibility, it works with both Android and iOS, so no matter what phone you're on, you are good to go. So, is the Huawei Band 11 Pro the best smartband of 2026? If you want premium design with an aluminum frame, a brilliant 2000 nit display, and a feather-light 18-gram build. If you want serious health monitoring with CE certified arrhythmia detection, HRV tracking, emotional well-being, and sleep breathing awareness. If you want 100 workout modes, built-in GNSS, and track run mode, and if you want 14 days of battery life with IP69 and 580M protection, then yes, the Band 11 Pro is the smartband of 2026 that deserves. Huawei took a winning formula, added genuine pro level upgrades, and back it up all with a price tag of 249 dirhams here in UAE, making it one of the most compelling wearable you can buy right now. Alright, that's my full review of the Huawei Band 11 Pro. If this review helped you make a decision, I will put the purchase link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more latest tech reviews.